Hey guys, so yesterday my drone fell out of the sky like 200 feet and it was pretty destroyed. If you didn't watch that video, go watch it because it was kind of sad. And you could see like parts fly everywhere when it fell to the ground upside down. And 3 of the 4 motors disconnected. Well, they all disconnected. Obviously, these are all destroyed, my motor mounts. But they disconnected and the motors themselves unplugged from the speed controllers and just flew in all directions. So there's that. But I fast-tracked my 3D printers and I used some wider nozzles, and so I got this printed overnight. And so I've got my other parts over there, which I'm working on right now. I just wanted to show you how bouncy it is because it's kind of fun. So I designed these legs myself to be able to absorb, well, I guess just because it was I don't know. So I designed this whole thing myself, of course, but I don't know. I'll just pick it up and drop it. Isn't that fun? Let's see. It actually absorbs it can drop, I have dropped it from like 6 feet, not on purpose, but like it fell out of the air from 6 feet above the ground because the battery just died randomly. So, not randomly, I guess, but I don't have a sensor to see that. Yeah, so here I am just playing with it. Anyway, just wanted to show that off. So hopefully I'll have it flying again today. I'll make another video. But thanks you guys so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.